November is National Diabetes Awareness Month, and we know when it comes to diabetes, controlling it through proper diet is crucial. But in tonight's Health Matters by Holston Medical Group, we learn why sometimes that's easier said than done. Dr. Samuel Plücker says it is estimated that nearly 1 in 3 people in our area will be diagnosed with diabetes, a condition where the body cannot properly store and use glucose.
The difference between type 1 and type 2 diabetes is how insulin plays a role. So in a type 1 diabetic, there's no insulin. In a type 2 diabetic, insulin levels actually increase, even though sugars are going up.
For type 2 diabetics, lifestyle factors play a huge role.
So here in East Tennessee, we have a diet that's high in carbohydrates and processed foods. And when you have a lot of sugar in your diet, the cells can't handle it and shut down their ability to use insulin because it's the only way they can say, I can't handle that much sugar. And so it becomes resistant to insulin.
Dr. Plücker works with his patients to help them identify foods that can be dangerous. He says one food that you want to avoid, fructose. And fructose is in a lot of products, especially processed foods like sodas, sweetened yogurts, and fried foods. Dr. Plücker says you must read the ingredients to know and understand the fine print.
Most of the products that we have in the stores now are processed from corn. Corn is about 50% fructose. And so in their diets, primarily, we're getting lots of glucose and a lot of fructose in our diet.
That includes things like corn syrup and corn starch. Even products that actually say they're designed for people with diabetes may not be safe.
A lot of these meal replacement drinks or nutritional drinks, the primary things in them are sugars, fructose, and corn. Especially those that are designed for diabetics, they're designed for type 1 and the primary source of sugar is fructose, which we know hastens the onset of type 2 diabetes and makes it worse.
And an uncontrolled diet and lifestyle with type 2 diabetes can lead to many other health problems.
The process of type 2 diabetes starts 10 to 20 years prior to sugars going up. And when you have a diet that's high in processed foods, processed grains, and high in fructose, it causes a dysfunction with every organ system.
And certainly some great information really for all of us. Doctors say a good rule to follow when reading the ingredients, if you can't pronounce it, you probably shouldn't eat it. For more information on this important topic, please visit the Health Matters blog at holstonmedicalgroup.com.